Hello everyone. So my name is Anmol, and thank you so much for this much of love. I didn't expect this much of you, 425. Without sharing, I got this much view on my first video of data analysis. So once again, thank you so much. And like this, keep supporting me. And if you really enjoy the video, and if you want any other things, please comment. I will come with update. So now let's talk about the previous project. Basically, this is a level 0 of data analysis using Excel and SQL. So we do some analysis. Yeah, this is the problem statement document. Yeah, I know कि अभी तक मैंने link नहीं डाला है, but after this video I will pin the link of the document and SQL data. Okay, so now see, the in previous video we do KPI requirements for the client. Okay, so if you didn't watch, we talk about the next requirement of the client, that is chart requirement. Okay, so for chart requirement we have to build some charts, like there is a bar chart and line chart. Okay, so point is where we can make a charts. So there is a many option. The first and the very basic option is using Excel or Google Sheet we can make chart requirements. Okay, and the second option is Power BI, and this is the Power BI. And the third option is Tableau. We also using Tableau we can make chat. Okay, also we can use by using Python we can draw this chart. Okay, so हम किस में करने वाले हैं? So this is the zero level of data analysis. Okay, so we first learn how to make chart in Excel or Google Sheets. Basically we are going to use Excel. Okay, so yeah, I also come with a Power BI also, but in level 1 playlist. Okay, this is the level 0. This is the for who are very beginner to data analyst field. Okay, so now let's start without wasting any much time. So the first chart requirement is daily trend for total orders. So let me clear one thing, guys. We do not jump directly into making charts. Okay, first what we do is retrieve this data using SQL, so that we can learn more and more about SQL query. Okay, so now how can we retrieve this data, which is daily trend for total orders? So now let's open my SQL server. You can use MySQL also. This is MySQL Workbench. If you are using PostgreSQL, you can use PostgreSQL. I'm using SQL Server. The reason is in industry level we mainly use SQL Server. This is why I'm always try to practice in SQL Server. You can also, I recommend everyone to use SQL Server. No much difference between MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server. All are almost same. Little different. Okay, so you can simply go on YouTube and search how to install MySQL Server. You get the video and install it and start using with me. Okay, now let's open the file. Okay, so here's the file. Open it. Let's take some time. Yeah, this is the file. So now first run this, so that okay, command completed successfully, done. Yeah, so this is the previous lectures video solution. KPI requirements. Okay, this is what KPI requirements. Sorry guys, KPI requirement. Okay, comment it out. Yeah, done. So this is the KPI requirement. I also update the link of this file also. Okay, now open new query. Yeah, open new query and use pizza db. Let me show you my database. This is the database. This is the first database, which is pizza db. This is for my practice. So for this project we using pizza. There is a 3z in this, there is only 2z. Okay, so pizza dvn. Okay, now expand table. Here is the table. So what we can do, click right, click and select top 1000 row. Okay, now you can see the data. Yeah, sure, you can also use Excel to see your data, but in first lecture I use Excel file to see and analyze data in Excel. Okay, but now we are moving to next lecture, so now we analyze the data in SQL Server itself. Okay, you can also edit it. You can select. Okay, now run it. Execute. Okay, so this is enough for analysis. Check the problem statement. The problem statement is daily trend for total orders. Okay, so let's analyze the data. Here is the data. Total orders. Where is the total orders? Quantity. In quantity we find the total orders. Okay, so and how daily trend. So think about how can you find or how can you retrieve daily trend for total orders. Think guys, what do you mean by daily? Many people thinks daily means date. एक तारीख को कितना सेल हुआ, 2 तारीख को कितना सेल हुआ, इतने तारीख को कितना सेल. No, by that we cannot retrieve. Yeah, obviously we can retrieve, but the data comes very big and we cannot analyze that data. Okay, so what we do, what do you mean by daily? Daily means Sunday, Monday. Okay, so now let's start writing query. Okay, okay, so now write select date name. Okay, so date name open bracket, and we have to specify weekday. Okay, now let me explain this. Date name means I want to extract name from the date. This is the date, and from this date I want to extract the name of date. Okay, so now name of date. So what kind of name of date? So we have to specify to the SQL server, which is weekday. I want to extract weekday from where? So from order date. From order date. Let me show you. Here is the order date. It means from order date I want to extract weekday. Means कि 1 तारीख 1 महीने 2015 को कौन सा दिन था, right? Okay, now bracket close. Okay, now now give this alias which is a weekday. Okay, so now we also have to find what? Total pizza order, right? Total pizza order. So for that what we have to do, we have to count. Okay, count. Okay, count what? Count distinct. Count distinct order ID. Okay, order ID. And now name this as total orders. From where? So now from pizza sales in. Okay, now group by, in group by what we write? So whatever in the select statement we write in also group by statement. Okay, group by this, and what? Date part. Now it's come to date part, and from date part what we want to read? Week day from order date. Okay, now what we are going to write here? Order by same date part. This actually what do this retrieve in a order by structure. Okay, week day order date. Okay, so now let me explain little bit what it's do. Date part. Date part gives numbering of the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Like here's the date name. What it's retrieve? It retrieves the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday from where? From order date. Okay. Okay. So now Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is retrieved, created. Here what we do? Write date part. Date part gives numbering of the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and this numbering 1, 2. By default, Sunday is considered as 1. Okay. So what I do here? Write order by, so that this date part 1, 2 comes in a sequence: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, this way. Okay, now try to execute it. Yeah, you can see here we got the data. Understood? Okay, so if you have any problem, please comment in description. So now, yeah, copy this and paste it here. Yeah, is this. Okay, now copy it and paste it. Your client is very happy. So what we can analyze from this, let me show you. We can see on Sunday, on every Sunday, the total orders are 2624. If I ask you which day is most selling day, then you can analyze from here. And Fridays, shockingly, what we think on Sunday, okay, but not Sunday. Sunday is lowest selling day. Sunday is lowest selling day, which is very surprising. Okay, so here comes the importance of data analyst, who really talks with data and helps company to make decision for further business growth. Okay, So the Friday is the maximum selling day, means most selling day. Okay, second question. What is the second question? The second question is hourly trend. Can you retrieve this? Yeah, we actually do like this. Yeah, there is in real life industry there is a big data, but still similar to this. Okay, hourly trend for total orders. How can you retrieve this? Okay, no issue. Let's I show you how can you retrieve this data, and keep practicing with me. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. Select date, not name here. Okay, date part. Okay, date part. डेट का कौन सा पार्ट चाहिए? संडे मंडे नहीं चाहिए, इस बार क्या चाहिए? आवर्स. ओके, सो सेलेक्ट डेट पार्ट आवर. From where? From order date. Let me show you. Here is the order date. Here is the order date. Okay. Yeah. From order date. No, no, not from order date. From order time. Okay. Because how can we retrieve hour from date, right? So from hour. Wait a second, guys. And order date. Bracket close. Comma. Again we write and date part for sorting. Sorry. Date part. And what we want. Uh, just a check, guys. Order by date part hour. Okay, from where? From order date. Okay, now let's try to run it. What we find hourly trend, and what we have written here, order date. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. Here's the data. How can we retrieve time from data? This is not possible, so that's why it's give error. Let me show you. Select it, run. Yeah, this is the syntax error. So the reason is this. So if we want to retrieve hour, we have to retrieve it from time, and the column name for the time is order time. So let's correct it. Not from order date, order time. Okay, sorry guys. uh, yeah, here also time, here also time. Now select it and execute it again. So the third question is, let me show you. Let me paste it here. The result. Yeah, take a screenshot. Yeah, now copy it. Just a sec, guys. Yeah, paste it. Sorry. Yeah, yeah. So third question. Just a second. Let take it in the next page. Okay. Yeah. So Read the third problem of the client. Client want to see the percentage of sales by pizza category. It means in each category, let me show you the data first. Yeah, here is the category: classic category, veggie category, supreme category, chicken category. Okay, so client want to know the sales percentage of pizza category column. It means, let's suppose total sale is 100%. What total sale is 100%? Okay, so what is the sale of pizza category in classic category? Okay, so let's suppose that classic category is about 20% of the total sale. Okay, so uh, yeah, so how can we retrieve it? I just now, right, select pizza category. Okay, pizza category. Okay, now what we need to write here: total revenue, and by writing sum of total price we get total revenue. Okay, okay, done. Now somewhat, it means basically here we divide the total revenue. Okay, so that we got the percentage value. Sum total price. Okay, the total price into 100. Why we into 100? To find the percentage value, divided by, I will explain it, guys. I know this is a little tricky and industry level question, so don't worry, I will explain. First watch and do practice with me. After I explain each and every query. Here I write again select. You can see here, here is also select and here is also select. Okay, so this select is known as sub queries in SQL. So basically I write sub queries here. Select sum of total price. Okay, pizza sales in bracket close. So this query is known as subqueries. What this query retrieve or give result? This query basically retrieve the revenue. Okay, select sum of total price from pizza sales in big name. Let's name it as mm, total sales. Okay, so now explain. I'll explain first line. Okay, so here select pizza category. It means this query select display only category of pizza. Okay, what's this? This second means this is total revenue. Okay, so what revenue? Not total revenue. Okay, it is total revenue but in the specific category. Okay, okay, okay. Now what is this? This query is basically written for the percentage value. What this is? This is sum of total price, and this sum of total price is equal to this. It means, let me explain you guys. Let's suppose this is classic pizza category, this is also classic pizza category, and नीचे भी बहुत सारा classic pizza category होंगे. Okay, now total price is 13 point this 16. Okay, so what, name it percentage of sale. You can name by your choice percentage of sale. Okay, now group by pizza category, order by order by order by this one. Okay, order by this one in descending order. Let's see. Okay, now try to run it. Yeah, there is error, syntax error. Yeah, so the error is from, we didn't write from, so it's happened, it's actually happened. Okay, no issue. From pizza sales in. Now run it. Yeah, perfectly fine. Okay, just a sec, guys. Yeah, now you can see it perfectly fine. What is the percentage of classic? 26%, the highest selling category of pizza. So hence you can analyze the data in this way. Okay, so now client is happy and client know their product. that now he knows which uh, category of pizza is most selling, and he can focus more on that category. So here's the uh, classic and supreme. These two category is more selling category of his store. Okay, so now take a screenshot and paste it. Okay, take a screenshot. Yeah, paste it. Mm. The next question is percentage of sales by pizza size. Same question. Here is the percentage of sale by pizza category, and here is the percentage of sale by pizza size. Okay, so let's do it. Percentage of sale by pizza size. Okay, have patience guys. तभी आप सीख पाओगे जब आपके अंदर पेशेंस होगा. Okay, now write the query. Select pizza size, not category, because question is changed. Percentage of sales by size. Pizza size. Okay, sum of total price. Why we write here sum of total price? To find total revenue. Okay, sum of total price, as name it as total sales. Okay, now sum of total price. Here why we write total price? Here we write total price for pizza size revenue, मतलब size wise total price. Okay, star into 100. Okay, now round it. Now round it to decimal digit 2. Okay, close bracket. Yeah, this is the one query. Sum of this and into this. Okay, divided by select sum of total price from pizza sales. Sorry, yeah, pizza sales in. Okay, yeah, okay. uh, Bracket comma 2 bracket as percentage sales from where? From our table, and the table name is pizza sales in group by pizza uh, size, order by percentage sales, order by percentage sales in descending order. Now execute it. Yeah, so here is the data, and now client can easily decide about their business. Now client is know that the most selling size of the pizza is large, which is 45% of his total sale, which is a very huge number. Okay, take a screenshot. MySQL. Okay, so first copy this question and paste it here. Let's comment it out. Yeah, so now write the query. Select pizza category. Pizza category. Why we write here pizza category? Because the question is total pizza sold by pizza category. That is why we select pizza category. Okay, so select pizza category. Total sold. Okay, total pizza sold. So how can we find total pizza sold? How can we retrieve this data? We can retrieve this data by sum of quantity, pizza quantity. Okay, the sum of pizza quantity. Let's name this as total pizza sold. Okay, now now what we have to do next? Total pizza sold by pizza category. Okay, done. Now write from pizza sales in. Now group by pizza category Now order by what? Order by total pizza sold. Okay, total pizza. Uh, just a sec, guys. Total pizza sold. Okay, in descending order. Now let's try to run this. Okay, execute it. Yeah, it's run, and we got the solution of the client problem. Okay, so now your client is happy. Yeah, I know. It's okay. Copy it, guys. Copy and paste it. Yeah, now come to the second last question, which is top 5. Okay. Yeah, which is top best 5 seller by pizza sold. Okay. Yeah, paste it, comment it out. Yeah, now write query, select top 5 best seller. We can let's expand database. Let's expand pizza dbn database. Let's expand table, and in table select top 1000. Edit the query and execute it. Yeah, now check the question. Question is top 5 best sellers by total pizza sold. So now analyze where is the seller. Okay, here is the. So now write the query, select top 5. What top 5? We have to specify the name. Select top 5 pizza name so that we can retrieve best selling pizza top 5. Okay, so select it. Now how can we find the total pizza sell by sum of quantity. Okay, okay, now from where? From pizza sales in. Okay, group by group by pizza name, group by pizza name, order by, yeah, order by, yeah, let's name it as total pizza sold. Okay, so now order by total pizza sold. Okay, now try to run it. Yeah, here is the answer. So now order by it descending order, so we can uh, retrieve the highest value up and the lowest this way. Okay, now execute it again. Yeah, here's the answer. Mm, yeah, now you were thinking that when I didn't write descending matlab desc, then the answer comes this. Okay, and when I write descending, then the value change. Why this is happening? Okay, let me explain you. This is happening because descending order. Okay, this is the order by, and this is the descending order means what? Descending order means largest to lowest. हिंदी में बोले तो बढ़ते क्रम, बड़ा से छोटा. That's why when we write descending, the value pick the highest value, the largest value first, then the second largest, then the third largest. Okay, मतलब largest to smallest. But when I removed this descending, it select ascending by default, and when we execute it, so now the value is changed. The reason ascending, okay, here is by default ascending if you don't write descending. So the reason is ascending means smallest to largest. So that's why here is the smallest one, then largest, then largest, then largest, then largest, then largest, then largest. But what we need to retrieve the highest selling pizza. Then we have to specify a descending. Okay, so this is the correct way to retrieve this data. Now take a screenshot. Yeah, copy it. Okay, paste it here. Okay, okay. So now here's the last question, and the last question is select bottom 5 worst seller total pizza sold. Same question, not much difference. Yeah, so let's comment it out. Yeah, so now select top 5. Now you are thinking that again top 5 we need bottom 5, no? Wait guys, first watch it. Okay, select top 5 pizza name. Again, sum of quantity as total pizza sold from pizza sales in group by pizza name. Okay, now order by ascending order. Order by uh, total pizza sold in ascending order. Now run it. I will explain this query. Yeah, now it's come. So this ascending, find the top first. Okay, done. So now take a screenshot, and our project is finished. Yeah, project is still. Let's uh, take a screenshot again. Yeah, now copy it and paste it. So now the project is completed on SQL. Our next part is about the chart requirement using Excel. Okay, create bar chart for more attractive and visualization data analysis. So I come up with that video in next part. Okay, so stay tuned. If you have any doubt, please comment it. I will try to resolve your doubt. Okay, so this is the final SQL of zero level. In next video, I will come up with chart requirements of the clients. So again, thank you so much everyone for supporting me. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.